Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the sign language recognition using Python. So let's enter the username and password and then click on the login button. It will open the home page, select the image and you can choose the image from the dataset folder. Let's select the location of that particular file and then click on the open button. Then click on the predict button. So it predict like call with a 0.90% accuracy. Let's select the location of different image. Okay, click on choose image and paste the location and click on open button. Okay, now click on predict. It shows the call. Okay, let's select any other image. Like I'm selecting that particular image location. Then click on the choose image, paste the location and then click on predict button. So it predict I love you with the 0.95% accuracy. Let's select that particular image location and click on the predict button. Not clear image. Let's select the location of different image and click on predict button. So it predict I love you with 0.99% accuracy. User can also go for the webcam option where laptop front camera will open and try to detect that particular sign. I'm I'm just showing the yes with the accuracy. You can show any of the sign like I love you, particular accuracy, percentage. Okay, prayer with the accuracy. So model is trained on the large dataset of images. I love you. Okay, this project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter used to develop the user interface. This type of project we are developing related to computer science domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, Java, and web development. If you're searching at project ideas, then you can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com. Or if you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. We'll try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.